Hey, welcome to Facts TV Kids.
Come along, it's time to play. Let's dive in and shout hooray. Under the sea, where the fun won't stop. We're swimming and dancing, let's flip and flop. Jellyfish wiggle with squiggly light, glowing and floating, what a sight. Starfish claps with arms so wide, laying still but full of pride. Swim, swim, dance along, see creatures singing a bubbly song. Twirl and swirl, splash and sway, in the sea we laugh and play. Clownfish darts in coral bright, orange and white, a joyful sight. Blowfish puffs and spins around, making bubbles without a sound. Octopus waves with 8 long arms, hugs the reef with all its charms. Seahorse floats, its tail curled tight, moving slowly, oh so light. Dolphin flips, jumps through the waves, so smart and playful, brave and brave. Shark swims by with a toothy grin, is friendly here, so let's all swim. Crab walks sideways, clickety-click, snapping claws and moving quick. Lobster joins with a wiggle and clap, wearing red like a party hat. Sea turtle glides with gentle grace, so calm and slow in ocean space. Whale sings songs so loud and deep, echoes through the ocean sleep. Seal claps flippers near the shore, slides and splashes and swims some more. Walrus rests on icy ground and plops in with a splashing sound. Swim, swim, dance along, see creatures singing a bubbly song. Twirl and swirl, splash and sway, we love the ocean every day. Thanks for swimming in the sea with all our ocean family. Wave goodbye, but don't go far, we'll see you where the sea stars are.
Thanks for watching Facts TV Kids. Click the button below and subscribe.